Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out this shower head. It's a Rainfall Shower Head, square one here, with also a wand attachment. So this is the wax follow one. Let's check this out. I'll be doing an installation here as well. This is 12 inches squared. That's got a high pressure waterfall rain system there, so that's super nice. Look at that. Right now, so I have it on that right now. Let's see here. Let's switch it to this one. All our shower things engaging, so we have a nice little rainstorm going there, so that's pretty cool. Oh yeah. So I got a little bit of water coming out here. I'll probably just have to put some plumber's tape on there, no problem. Other than that, it's looking pretty good. So then we can switch to the other one here with this. Take that off if we want. And then this one has the multiple different heads on there. We got like this one, that's stop. Then we have the jet one on the end here. How do I do the jet one? Oh, jet's on the other side. So this one's coming out the top right there. Whoa! A lot of pressure there. And then we can have this in the middle. Where we're doing both. Oh, it's cold water. There we are. So however we want to do that, and then we can rotate this head too if we want a little bit, and have it like coming out like that. So pretty nice. Looks like it's working pretty decently there. Gonna be a little bit of so I have this about probably 6'2" off the ground there. So can adjust it as needed for height, but all in all seems to be working decently well. And pretty nice little upgrade for our shower there. Thanks so much for watching, my friends. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Hey guys, alright, so final thoughts just on the shower head. Just make sure you use the plumber's tape. So I was trying to cut a couple corners and be like, maybe I don't need to put it on there. Put the plumber's tape on there. It just eliminates all chances of leak, and it because it was leaking a little bit, so put the plumber's tape on there. It worked perfect now. No leaks. All the rain's come down out of all the holes now and everything, so working really good. I'm pretty impressed with it actually. Now that I put the plumber's tape on there and everything's working as it should, with no water coming out other places that it's not supposed to. It wasn't leaking horribly bad, but yeah, just use the plumber's tape and make sure the washers are in there. So that one, the connection to the main pipe, the secondary one off of the diverter, make sure you have 2 washers in there, because if it's not fitting on correctly, so when you tighten it down and it's maybe off this way instead of up and down this way, another washer in there should work for me, at least, to get it to where you needed to go vertically instead of horizontally back and forth. So I hope that's helpful. All in all, pretty impressed with the functionality and how it's working. It's definitely an upgrade from what we had in there. So in ordering one, just make sure like where your faucet head is, and if it's a little lower on the shower, still going to work, but you might need to get an adjuster thing that's a little bit higher if you want, or it just depends on your preferences really. So thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day out there, and I'll see you next time.